Men's doubles, second Mavericks versus Terramore Titans. Let's go.
Titans off to a good start there. Quick hands by Trishank.
We've also just been informed that Vishnuvardhan is wearing a mic for this match. So it will be quite interesting to sort of get a sneak peek of what they discuss in terms of strategy mid-point, mid-match. So
Looks like we're in for a lot of hands battles here with quick hands on both sides.
Vishnuvardhan this time, forehand onto the net. And second serve. Well tried there from Vishal, but ball straight goes on to the net. Terramore Titans get the serve. Some help from the net they could do. Sam again onto the net. The first points on the board for the Terramore Titans. Vishal finds the net and Terramore Titans are up and away running in this contest. They need to go ahead and win this contest to stay alive. And only if they win this, they would want to win the mixed doubles and then they can force a game breaker. Otherwise, it's the Credicon Mavericks who will be running away with this contest. Battle of quick hands. Get some help from the net and the ball just land a little inside there. So the Credicon Mavericks get their serve back.
incredible net play from both of them, but then one high shot played by the Titans forces an error from the Credicon Mavericks. They're on the second serve now, serving at 0-1. Oh, what good instincts to leave that. That was really well left. It wasn't that far wrong, but it was long enough to warrant the leave. Serve back to the Titans.
Hard luck there. Vishal coming into the net with such a deep slice, but then wasn't able to put away the volley. Both seem adamant to keep going towards each other. A speed up there, and Vishal puts that away.
Second serve for the Terramore Titans, a 2-0 up. Looks like it's just only going to be a matter of time before Vishnuvardhan and Vishal Punna can crawl back. And at every shot that goes to Vishnu, Vishal is making sure that he communicates it right, which is really important in doubles.
Trishank and Vijay Tej really up to the task here, up against some stalwarts, but are really bringing their young energy and their fast hands, I think, into clutch points. Make that one more. Terramore Titans, 4 love up.
ఇంకా డింగ్ చేయాలా
If you were to find yourself in this situation, do you want your captain to tell you that this is a do or die game for us, or do you want a softer sort of motivation before you head into the match?
Time out, late
No,
time
I
out.
think it's already
Time
top
out
of
later,
mind
no?
for both of them. I think they're very well aware. I think I would want my captain to just let me have my game and trust that I'm going to be able to pull this off.
To their credit, though, they've taken a very critical early lead here. They're leading 5. I mean, they've just lost their serve, but they are still leading 5-0. So they're showing up, I think.
आ रहा है अभी हाँ ठीक है
Showing up indeed. I think they're combining really well. An unforced error there by Vijay Tej, but otherwise I think their combination right now is on fire.
I think they're also doing a really good job of sending the ball back well and quick.
आ रहा है चल
Not
शाबाश
giving the opponents a lot of time to think, but letting the opponents do their share of the errors. Right. As far as temperament is concerned, I think they're in the right mindset here for this match.
शाबाश फोकस करना और बॉल
They to have two Davis Cuppers on the other side and to hold a 4-point lead over them. I'm sure the Teramo Titans must have been doing something right. I'm sure they would want to be doing whatever they've been doing to put both the Davis Cuppers under pressure.
Some solid dinking there until that speed up. Vishal using his slice,
Center में
whereas
आपका
Vijay
center
Tej using his double hand top spin dinking instead. Credicon Mavericks
चल,
on
शाबाश
their
भाई।
second serve, serving 1-5.
Two-handed backhands there from Vishnuvardhan, but this time when Vishal Punna could not get the ball up that elevation properly, loses the serve.
Some really decisive shot making from the Teramo Titans in this match. They've been convinced about what they want to go for, what shot they want to.
విశాల్ భాయ్ మనం థర్డ్ అంత కన్సిస్టెంట్ పెట్టినా కొడుతున్నాము వాళ్ళు ఇట్లా అంటర్న్ అయిపోతున్నారు మన పాయింట్ అవుట్ వస్తుంది
Third
కొంచెం
just
build
ding
చేయాలి
చేసి,
కదా.
build చేసి.
కొంచెం బిల్డ్ చేద్దాం
Okay,
కొంచెం
okay.
బిల్డ్ చేద్దాం థర్డ్ లేకపోతే ఉతినే పోతుంది ఫ్లాట్ కొడితే వాళ్ళిద్దరు కొంచెం బాగానే బ్లాక్ చేస్తున్నారు దర్ నో పాయింట్ హిట్టింగ్ నౌ
ओके ओके
నీకు వస్తారు కదా ప్రశాంత్ని ఇడికి
ठीक है
థర్డ్ వేయండి
ठीक है करके हाँ शाबाश भाई I'll figure it out now ठीक है शाबाश आ जाओ अच्छा सपोर्ट हाँ कम ऑन
Yeah, like I was saying, I think that the Titans have been very decisive in their shot making, and they've
मैं करता हूँ अभी
sold
सारा बॉल रखूंगा अंदर ठीक
the
है
way they
शाबाश
want to play in this game. They've come out attacking, they've come out with great intent, but Credicon Mavericks, you can't rule them out.
मेरा ही है red.
You cannot rule out Vishnuvardhan and
पता नहीं।
what he brings to any match at any point. So we'll see. We'll see if the Titans can continue with this lead, or if Vishnuvardhan and co have a different plan after the timeout.
What we've also been seeing is Vishnuvardhan has been doing a lot of work, but Vishal Punna has been a little off color. He's made a couple of errors there at the net as well. It's just about matter of time, I think, before Vishal can also grow into this contest. What a shot there from Trishank there. Very good shot, and the Teramo Titans are happy. Look at the way they're dancing around the court here. 7-1. A healthy 6-point lead at this point over Vishnuvardhan and Vishal Punna. Speaks a lot. He's out. Forehand shot. A lot of power in there. But never mind. They are also in their second serve. So still have hold the serve. They can still go ahead and increase the lead at this point if they place the ball well. if they get to those winners that they need, but if they try to make the Mavericks commit a couple of errors just like this.
Good patience there from Trishank and Vijay, drawing out that error to head into the changeover
I'm okay.
with a healthy lead.
ఎట్లా చెప్పాలి ఐ డోంట్ నో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ అది చెప్పు నువ్వు ఎట్లా
షూర్ షూర్ కరెక్ట్ నాకు తెలుస్తుంది అది లేచిపోతుంది బాల్ అది యా యా
ఈ పికిల్ బాల్ వీళ్ళు ఉన్నా
Looks like we have a substitution on the Credicon Mavericks side. We have
Hey,
Kidambi Nandagopal
Thanks.
joining. He's no less of a name. He's a national badminton player.
Yeah, sure, we'll catch up,
And
yeah.
also his brother. I'm sorry, international. Thank you for that. International badminton player, and of course, his brother is Kidambi Shrikant. So also comes from an amazing sporting family. So we're substituting Vishnuvardhan out and Kidambi Nandagopal in. Gagan, what do you make of that?
As long as it's not an injury issue, as long as the players are fine, they are allowed one substitution. So if the team thinks
Ek-ek
that is
karke,
what
Vishal
they
bhai.
need at this
Shabash.
point, then why not exercise that option? Right now you have a 7-point deficit. So if you want to change it up, no problem there. I also find the dynamics of tennis and badminton very interesting in pickleball because I think they bring separate but transferable skills to this sport. Tennis brings a lot of baseline stroke play and your slice and the likes, while I think badminton gives you those wrist reflexes as well. So I think this is a good combination for the Mavericks. So we'll see how it works out.
He also brings in amazing energy to the court. Even in the previous, I think in week 1, he had an amazing match that he pulled off with, I think, 18-16 is what they won. So maybe that's what they need to be able to win.
Foul.
And already, second point on the board for Credicon Mavericks. 2-9 with their first serve.
Substitution seems to have worked for now.
Bad luck,
But,
koi baat
it's a
nahi.
good smasher. Ball was dipping in very, very quickly. And Vishal Punna could only manage to send the ball out. Second serve still there for the Credicon Mavericks. It's Nandagopal on serve. Kidambi Nandagopal, as Ramya had mentioned, an international badminton player, comes from the illustrious badminton family. Still, the Teramo Titans are not there. They are not giving it up.
And I think with Nandagopal here, we're only going to see the hands battles get better. So what amazing level of pickleball.
बाहर था
I think that was going long, but Vishal
You got
went
this.
for it.
You got
just
this
found the net.
single-handed. You did this in the past. Come on.
Teramo Titans on the first
Vishal
serve,
akele.
serving
on.
at 10-2.
Right here, Hunter. Come on.
Out is the call from Vishal, and what a good call as well. It just went long,
Shabash, Vishal, shabash.
and Credicon Mavericks have broken one
Let's go,
of the
Vishal.
Titans serves. Titans on the second serve, serving at 10-2.
Let's go, Nandu. Come on.
Kidambi Nandagopal is extremely good at the net as well. maybe just missing the trick.
आराम से एक-एक
to
करके, एक-एक
hit
करके.
the net. Angle was a little tough to execute. 11-2. Second serve in for the Teramo Titans.
आ रहा है. अकेले अकेले विशाल अकेले. Let's go विशाल.
Ref's call is that the Teramo Titans, I think Vijay Tej of the Teramo
Akele,
Titans
akele
has
hoega.
stepped into the kitchen, and Teramo Titans have reviewed that decision. I think Nandu has come in all guns blazing, but credit to the Teramo Titans. I think they've just maintained their intensity throughout this match, regardless of the swap.
Fault at the kitchen, and we will have the DRS. Have to look at whether there was a foot fault. There. They will have to get into slow motion. They will have to go ahead and zoom it in as well. Then go ahead and find out if it was at foot fault that the referees have mentioned. There, having a very close look at that foot fault. Is there a foot fault that has happened? Slowly getting in. To get that best angle to go ahead and arrive at the correct decision. 2-11. There it is. There it is. We're getting there. We're getting there slowly. Getting there slowly. Is there a foot fault? That is the question.
I think early days, but I think the umpires got that spot on. What an incredible call.
Absolutely. And you know, we talk about margins so fine, and look at the way they've called it.
What got a split second to see that spot that both the shoes are in the same place. What an incredible call.
Absolutely. Perfect call there. Foot fault. Teramo Titans are actually not happy, but they are the guilty party now.
Aggressive and paying off. What a great net play from both teams, but the Titans knowing what they want and getting it.
.211, Credicon Mavericks on serve. They need more of these serves. They need more of these on the net.
Both the serves broken now, and the Titans are back. The Teramo Titans are back on serve. First serve serving at 11-2. Can they see it out now?
They really want to see it out. To close this contest as early as possible at the net. Unforced error there. Second serve. Does take a lot of courage to close out games from this position. This was there to be hit. This was there to be hit. Straight on Nanda Gopal. Had no chance. Had to take evasive action. And point number 12 for the Teramo Titans.
He wasn't very happy with the body shot there, but I have to admit they're up. Can they now see it out? And that's it. 15-2. What an incredible scoreline for the Terramore Titans. They were behind 1-3 in the tie. Now they've brought it down to 2-3. Incredible all around. The Mavericks played good game. They asked questions. Terramore Titans answered and then some.
Absolutely. Match number 5 goes the Terramore Titans' way, but they're still trailing in this contest at 2-3, and we will have the mixed doubles contest that will come up next in a very short while from now, so stay tuned.